I built and sold 3 SaaS companies using Claude Code. I've made over 6 figures of revenue with Claude Code, and today I'll be showing you how can you make money with Claude Code in 2026. So I gave a live presentation at an official Anthropic event 8 months ago, how to make money with Claude Code. And that was all about how can you make money with SaaS products. A lot has changed in those 8 months. So I want to give an updated version on how can you make money with Claude Code in 2026. So building is no longer the moat. It has gone even further where people can build stuff extremely easily. So what you want to focus on is the 80% of the offer and distribution, 20% building. You can build extremely fast. So there's 3 ways that you can actually make money with Claude Code: services, productized agency, and assets. You have services and assets, and then the productized agency is honestly just a mix of those where you have some sort of asset that you build like a SaaS product or an automation, and then you give that white glove service to really set it up and make people happy, and also give them a high quality service, charged also a little bit higher than you can. So the first thing is to sell a boring automation that businesses will actually pay for. And for something like this, what you can do is essentially come here. As you see, I have used Claude Code. All of these slides were made with Claude Code. The first thing you can do is sell a boring automation businesses will actually pay for. And for something like this, you can come over to Claude Code. All of these presentations were made with Claude Code. The ideas, I just give it a long whisper flow and it actually builds out the entire presentation. So with Claude Code, one thing that is very important to learn is plan mode. So simply coming over here to plan mode, and for this example of selling a boring automation business will actually pay for, you can literally just copy and paste that. Let's see if it copied it. But if we come here and copy this, hopefully it copied it. Give me ideas for this. That's all you have to do with Claude Code in plan mode. And then you spend 80% of the time planning it, coming up with a really good idea. You can keep asking Claude, is this really a good idea? And then once it has a good idea, go out and execute it and build it. Again, you do not want to waste too much time building. You want to waste time on the distribution. So you can charge a setup and a monthly retainer to run it once you have that automation built out. But this isn't really the big thing. Coding isn't the hard thing to come across. The hard thing to come across is how can you actually find clients? And this is where something like DeepLine comes in, because DeepLine can plug in directly to Claude Code. You can use this with Claude Code to help you find customers. So let's say you come over to Claude Code, you start with plan mode, sell a boring automation business idea will come forward. Give me ideas for this. Let's just run this. It'll give ideas. And then once you have ideas, you want to spend maybe an hour or 2 building out the rough version of that product. It'll give ideas. I don't have to actually wait for it to give the idea, but the general thing would be, let's say it gives you the idea of selling an AI receptionist. So AI receptionist, after that, you can come here, get DeepLine's link and say, I built a product with the AI receptionist. You're the one who helped me build it, Claude Code. And I want you to help me find customers with DeepLine. Give me a rough outline of how we can find customers to sell this AI receptionist to using DeepLine, and then how can we contact them, build out the full go-to-market strategy for it. And just like that, Claude Code will be able to run through the idea. So build up the ideas with Claude Code in plan mode. Once you have it actually built out, you can give it DeepLine to actually help you find the customers. We'll just have that running in the background and seeing what it'll come up with. So yeah, the actual skill is not coding by any means. It is not coding. It's all about finding the customers. And that's where DeepLine comes in with Claude Code, letting Claude Code use DeepLine to help you find the customers. The flow that I like doing is starting with LinkedIn. So get people's LinkedIn who matches your ideal customer profile, message them on LinkedIn 3 times, message them first, let them reply. If they don't reply, message them again, and then keep repeating 3 times. And then if they ghost all the LinkedIn messages, get their email with DeepLine, email them 3 times. Again, give them a chance to reply. If they don't reply, follow up 3 times. If that doesn't happen, get their phone number. You can send them a message 3 times again. And then if they don't reply to any of those, you can get their phone number, give them a cold call. If they don't reply to any of those, mark that lead as closed and just move on to the next thing. Okay, so again, none of it matters without distribution. So you can build out an amazing product. You can build out whatever it might be, but it does not matter without distribution. This one's AI, this one's actually me. But the way I have it set up is that I have this automated Reels engine. It's open source. I'll put the link down below. And it makes content. And then on Instagram, it actually has a ManyChat automation. So I'll say comment repos and I'll send you a link. And then people will comment it out on Instagram and I get their email. And then once I have their email, I can just constantly nurture them with my newsletter and get them to the point where I funnel them to whatever it might be. Like I mentioned, right now, what I'm focusing on is Cyndra, AI agents for enterprises. So in all of my newsletters, I try giving as much value as possible, really help the reader with whatever AI lessons I learned that week, and then subtly funnel them to Cyndra. That way they can check it out. And if it is a fit, they can book a call. I'm getting their emails via ManyChat. And then after that, I can properly funnel them to Cyndra where it's fit. So I'm not just getting vanity metrics, but I'm actually able to turn the views into money, which is pretty cool. So an important thing to focus on is that anything you build, you do not need to force AI. You do not need to say this is the biggest, best AI system, whatever it might be. focus on the outcome. So for the example of the AI receptionist, like we have Superset here working on how it can use DeepLine to find the actual customers for AI receptionists. If it's the AI receptionist, you don't want to say to a business owner, I'm selling you an AI receptionist. This is a very big thing that I lost time on, I lost money on. When I first started selling AI agents, I was saying, hey, I'm selling you an amazing AI agent. Business owners do not care about that. People do not care about that. There will be a few people who like the buzzwords, like, oh, cool, I want an AI agent, but really sell the outcome. So as opposed to saying, hey, I'm selling an AI agent, I'm selling you an executive assistant that's going to save you time organizing your calendar, make reservations for you. What are the actual tangible items that they're going to be getting? So with the AI receptionist, for example, you could say, I'm making sure that any calls that your business gets after there is not a person behind the phone is still getting answered and they are booking appointments with them. So you are not losing revenue just because you don't have a person behind the phone, but focus on the outcome. What is it that the business owner is actually getting? Because that is what they care about. So I think one big thing that I really want to show is all about Claude Code with Plan Mode. So anytime you come to Claude Code, I'm using it to actually plan out my presentation. But an important thing to note is Plan Mode. So anything that you're building, any idea that you're building, the rough flow that I'm talking about in today's video is find an idea. So you can use this all with Plan Mode, and I'll put all of these slides down below so you can check out the slides and understand the flow. But start in Plan Mode so you can find the idea. And you can use Whisper Flow, like I need to find an idea of a very niche automation that I can sell and eventually productize to help me find this idea. Something like that. Get it all in Plan Mode, and you want to spend 80% of your time purely in Plan Mode with Claude Code. Keep breaking down the problem. Let's say it comes up with the AI receptionist. Ask it, are you sure this is a great idea, Claude Code? Is this the right niche that I need to go after? Can I go even more niche? Should I focus on AI receptionist for dentists only, or whatever it might be? And just spend 80% of your time in Plan Mode. And then after that, build out the actual MVP. You do not want to waste time building. Just let Claude Code do all the building. After that, head over to DeepLine, set up DeepLine with Claude Code for it to actually find customers. Spend 2 to 3 hours max building the product. And then after that, every single day, your pure job should just be coming in with Claude Code, working with DeepLine to find customers and manually contact them on LinkedIn, email, whatever it might be, so you can actually get the customers. Because building is not the moat at all. The way that you really are going to make money is using something like DeepLine in Claude Code to actually go deep, find the actual customers, and then just keep contacting them. And then after that, that's how you can make money with Claude Code. That's the best sort of way that I've seen. And I'm doing this every single day with Cyndra, where building out AI agents, and to actually find new customers, we have DeepLine running in Claude Code on a loop, finding customers and enriching our CRM. We are using 20 as a CRM, which is entirely open source, so you can set it up on your own infrastructure. You can essentially use Claude Code to make you money in 2026. The general thing is spend very minimal time building, because it is not the moat at all. Abuse Claude Code. Let Claude Code build you a very niche product after planning it, and then jump into DeepLine to actually find you the customers, and abuse Claude Code and DeepLine. That is how you are going to actually make money, is by just distribution. If you want, you can also set up something like the Reels engine, which is entirely open source, and I built it. If you want more access, if you want to join weekly calls, I have weekly calls here in the AI Operator School community. You can feel free to DM me there. I'm happy to answer any questions, and I just walk through anything. So if you need any help, I'm happy to reply there.